Okay, coming to the effectiveness, see, actually, as I told you, we won't be using one particular strategy every day. We won't be an authoritative parent all throughout the day. Suppose we are going for a holiday, then sometimes we might be a neglectful parent, or we might be a permissive parent where we allow our kids to do everything. So that's fine. All these strategies come up in life. Now, the basic thing that we must remember is that the child is a child is an individual who does not belong to us. I don't know how many of you will be able to grasp this meaning, but a child is not someone who belongs to us. He's an individual who's just come through us. If you get this concept clear, then it's done. An individual who has come through us. That's the meaning of a child that you are bringing up. If you look at it at that perspective, a child as an individual, then it's very easy and it's very effective to parent them, because the most important thing is that you ask your child, communicate with your child what their needs are, and according to that, we might think that the child doesn't know what he wants to eat or what he wants to do, but definitely the child have their own ideas, they've got their own imaginations. So only thing you have to do is just talk to them, so that you get an idea of what they are thinking, and accordingly you can plan your strategies. For example,